الله وبركاته. إن شاء الله النهاردة هتكلم على Revision Science Prime 3. Answer the following questions. أول سؤال: choose the correct answer. Number 1: the smallest part of living organisms is system, organ, cell, tissue. Cell. Number 2: it helps the body to get rid of harmful materials. Digestive system, nervous system, respiratory system, urinary system. الإجابة urinary system. Number 3: matter has not volume only, mass and volume, mass and length only. الإجابة mass and volume. Number 4: not is used to measure very small masses in the laboratories. Ruler, sensitive balance, common balance, graduated tape. الإجابة sensitive balance. Number 5: not is the amount of matter in an object. Mass, volume, matter. No correct answer. الإجابة mass. السؤال التاني: put true or false. Number 1: digestive system lets the body feel, hear, see, smell and taste. الإجابة false. Number 2: organ is the smallest part of the body. الإجابة false. Number 3: to estimate the mass of a golden ring we use the common balance. الإجابة false. Number 4: volume is a space that occupied by an object. الإجابة true. السؤال التالت: make model of food chain. مديني 4 pictures: plants, rat, hog, snake. عايز نعمل a food chain، سلسلة غذائية. أول حاجة plants feed on water. بعد plants feed on water rats feed on plants. بعد rats feed on plants يجي snakes feed on rats. وفي الأخير hog feed on snake. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.